Starting with the algorithm, that is the direct use of line equation. In the previous lecture, we discussed about all about the scan conversion, and there are the three algorithms of scan conversion. Various algorithms for the scan conversion for line drawing are the direct use of line equation, DDA digital differential analyzer. Third one is the Bressenman algorithm. These are the algorithm for the line drawing or the line drawing scan conversion method. So first of all is the direct use of line equation, जो हमने मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ा हुआ है, बाई कैलकुलेटिंग द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन or we some assuming the values of x and putting that values in the equation of the line, and we calculate the coordinates of x and y. So it is the simplest form of conversion. First of all, scan p1 and p2 point. P1 has coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. So starting points are known and ending points are known. So next we need to know about the equation of the line, that is y equals to mx plus b. Then m is the slope of the line. How to calculate the slope of the line? By decrement the values of y2 minus y1 divide by x2 minus x1. So if the values of slope are less than equal to, for each integer value of x, we need to know that, check the condition, and another condition is the slope value is greater than 1. So there is some example. Here is a line with starting point, as for starting points are 0, 0 and ending points are 6 and 18. That is given. Calculate the value of intermediate points and the slope of the line. Simply हमें दो points given है, starting point and ending point. We need to calculate the intermediate points, between कौन से points आते हैं line में, and slope of the line calculate करनी है. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है जो मैथमेटिकल क्लास में भी किया है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आर द 0, 0 एंड द एंडिंग पॉइंट आर द 6, 18. सो x1 equals to 0 and y1 equals to 0 and x2 equals to 6, y2 equals to 18. Clear? Now we know the equation of the line is y equals to mx plus v. So we calculate the slope of the line y2 minus y1, 18 minus 0, 18, divide by x2 minus x1, 6 minus 0, 6, 18 divided by 6 becomes 3, 6 3 is 18. So m की वैल्यू क्या होगी 3, x as it is plus v. Write it equation as 1. Put the values of x from the initial point in the equation. जो इनिशियल पॉइंट है वो वैल्यूज़ जो है वो पुट करनी है. ठीक है, x इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड y इक्वल्स टू 0 टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ b, that is the y intercept value. So by putting the values we know that b becomes 0. So put the b value in the first equation, y equals to 3x. So now in this equation we put some values of x starting with 0. हम already कर चुके हैं. x1 equals to 0, y1 equals to 0 already done. So by assuming let x equals to 1, when x equals to 1 put the x value into this equation. So y becomes y equals to 3 into 1, that is the value of y is 3. by next value is 2, y की x की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 2 पुट कर देनी है. 3 इंटू 2 y बिकम्स 6. नेक्स्ट अप टू सो ऑन कब तक करते जाना है, x इक्वल्स टू 6 तक. जब 6 वैल्यू पुट की x की जगह पर, 6 इंटू 3 18, सो y बिकम्स 18. सो लास्ट पॉइंट इज 6 एंड 18. सो इंटरमीडिएट पॉइंट्स जो थे वो ऐसे इजीली हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिए. तो P1 के क्या थे ऑलरेडी 0, 0, लास्ट में क्या थे 6, 18 एंड इंटरमीडिएट पॉइंट्स आर 1, 3, 2,6, 3,9, 4,12, 5,15, and denoted that points are P1, P2, P3, P4, P6 to P7. So this is the simplest method for calculating the values of x and y. But when we talk about the straight line, we have given the 2 points and we simply calculate the intermediate point. So draw these points like this in x and y plane. So this is a simple algorithm for this. First, the coordinates are to be given. To calculate the slope of the line is m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That y2 minus y1 is also denoted as dy, that is the distance value of y, and x2 minus x1 is also denoted as dx. dx हो गया जब डेल्टा x हो गया, ठीक है, सेम चीज़ है जहाँ हम इसे लिख सकते हैं x2 माइनस x1 और dx और द डेल्टा x, सेम dy के लिए dy इक्वल्स टू y2 माइनस y1 और डेल्टा y. सो m इक्वल्स टू dy डिवाइड बाई dx भी लिख सकते हैं हम. क्लियर. देन हमने क्या किया, b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की, जो हमने जैसे प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल में किया. देन we have to check the values for all the conditions, check whether the complete line has to be drawn. At the end, we have to calculate all the points by assuming the values of x, then plot the point at the current x and y coordinate, increment the value of x one by one and compute the next value of y from the equation y equals to mx plus b, and these steps are to be continued till the end of the points are to be reached. So this is the simplest line approach for calculating the intermediate points. So next one is which one is the most important, that is DDA line conversion algorithm.